Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to sync your Notion databases with Google Sheets, allowing you to analyze and manipulate your data in new ways. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Now, from your Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet you want to connect to Notion. This could be any existing sheet where you'd like to import your Notion data or even a new blank sheet if you're starting fresh. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where you'll access all the add-ons and integrations available for Google Sheets. For this connection to work, you'll need to download an add-on called Coefficient. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and search for it in the Extensions Marketplace and download it. In this example, I already have Coefficient installed, so we can proceed directly to the next step. With Coefficient installed, click on Extensions again, find Coefficient in the list, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Launch. This will open the Coefficient sidebar within your Google Sheets interface, giving you access to all its integration features. In the Coefficient sidebar, look for the option that says Import From and click it. This is where you'll choose which external service you want to pull data from. Next, click on Add Connection to see all available integrations. In the search bar that appears, type Notion and hit Enter. Once Notion appears in the results, you'll see a Connect button beside it. Click that Connect button to initiate the authorization process between Coefficient and your Notion workspace. A new window will pop up asking you to authorize the connection. Click Authorize to proceed. This step is necessary to grant Coefficient permission to access your Notion data securely. After authorizing, you'll be prompted to select which Notion pages you want to connect. Click Select Pages, and you'll see a list of your Notion databases and pages. Choose the ones you want to sync with your Google Sheet, then click Allow Access to finalize the permission settings. Now give the system a moment to process the connection. Depending on the size of your Notion database, this might take a few seconds. Once the process is complete, your Notion data will be successfully connected to your Google Sheets, and you'll be able to import and sync information between the two platforms seamlessly. And that's it. You've now set up a direct connection between Notion and Google Sheets using Coefficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.